Good evening, I'm Pat Greenwell with Pat's Easy Change here at Greenwell Manufacturing. We have a few questions people ask about the top link. Our hitches add roughly 3.5 inches to the length of your lift arm. 90 to 95% of the time, your top link will adjust out enough to make up for the difference. There is going to be some cases you may have to require buying another top link, but that doesn't happen a lot. One good thing about these hitches, where you have a standard quick hitch that hooks to your implement, and your top link hooks to here, and you got your top link that runs back to your tractor. This system is not very flexible with your top link when you're using a bush hog or a finish mower and you're crossing ditches and low places where it needs to flex, where our system will let it all operate just like it did from the factory. You don't have to make any alterations to your tractor or implement or do anything. Hook up and go. And they're made here in the U.S. We take pride in our product, and we inquire any questions or any comments, good and bad, because we like to hear it all. And happy tractoring.